What forms do I need to fill out to claim an 18-year-old dependent who works on my taxes?
Hello, tax navigators. Today, we are going to delve into a very specific but essential aspect of filing taxes, claiming an 18-year-old dependent who works on your tax returns. Knowing how to do this correctly can potentially save you a considerable amount of money.
Can you claim your 18-year-old as a dependent?
Before we jump into the forms, let's confirm, can you actually claim your 18-year-old as a dependent? There are specific criteria they must meet for you to be able to claim them. Here are the requirements. 1. They must be your child, stepchild, foster child, sibling, or a descendant of one of these. 2. They must be under 19 years old at the end of the year, or under 24 if a full-time student. If they're permanently and totally disabled, there are no age restrictions. 3. They must have lived with you for more than half of the year. 4. They must not have provided more than half of their own support for the year. 5. They are not filing a joint return for the year, unless that joint return is filed only to claim a refund of withheld income tax or estimated tax paid. If your 18-year-old meets all these criteria, you can claim them as a dependent.
What forms do I need to fill out?
Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty, the forms. When it comes to claiming a dependent, the primary form you will need to fill out is the standard Form 1040, the U.S. Individual Income Tax Return. The Form 1040 is where you will claim your dependents. You'll list the dependent's full name, their relationship to you, and their social security number. For an 18-year-old dependent who works, their income can impact your taxes. If they earned more than $4,300 in 2023, you'll need to report their income. But don't worry, this doesn't automatically disqualify them from being your dependent.
What if my dependent needs to file taxes?
If your 18-year-old dependent has a job and earned income during the tax year, they may need to file their own tax return using Form 1040 as well. In this case, they must indicate on their form that someone else, you, can claim them as a dependent. This is a crucial step because it helps avoid issues with the IRS about duplicate claims for the same dependent. Navigating the world of taxes can be daunting, especially when it involves dependents who work. But with the right knowledge, it doesn't have to be. Hopefully, this video has given you a clearer picture of what forms you need to fill out to claim an 18-year-old dependent who works on your taxes. Always consult with a tax professional if you have any doubts or questions. Thanks for watching, and happy tax filing!